Hello everyone. Today we're doing long E-Y. E. The baby, baby. P-E, puppy. Was hungry, hungry. The baby puppy was hungry. He was also very, very thirsty. He was also very thirsty. He ate a tiny candy and drank 40 cups of water. He ate a tiny candy and drank 40 cups of water. That was silly. That was silly. How old was the puppy? A baby, 3 years old. How did the puppy feel? Hungry and thirsty, sick and tired. What did the puppy eat? Dog food, a tiny candy. What did the puppy drink? 40 cups of water, 40 cups of juice. Bye.